So guys, now WhatsApp can be used on two devices or two mobile phones or more than that. So this update came recently. Earlier this feature was there in the beta version, but now it's in the stable version. I will show you practically how it works and what all other features are there. Let's see. I have two devices with me. One is OnePlus 7 Pro, another one is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. I am using currently WhatsApp in OnePlus 7 Pro, so this is my primary device. For demo purpose, what I will do, I will install WhatsApp in my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and demonstrate the process. There is one prerequisite for this. In your secondary device or companion device, you can tell any WhatsApp account should not have logged in. Okay, it should be plain just WhatsApp installed for using this feature. If you see here, there is no account logged in this device. Now WhatsApp is installed in the companion device or other device. Here we can see WhatsApp icon is there. If I'm opening it, it will show a normal login screen without any account logged in. Let's see how it will happen practically. First of all, open WhatsApp in your secondary device. Okay, now you select the language as English. Then agree and continue. Click on the three dot on the top right corner. Here you are getting option of link to existing account. Click on that. Now you will get a barcode through which you will scan from your primary device. So here is my primary device where WhatsApp is installed with one account, my primary account. If you see, it's telling me to go to the setting and that select link devices. Where? In the primary device. Now this is my primary device. Now opening my WhatsApp here. Here on the top right corner there is a three dot where you have to click and select link devices. Here we are getting one option called link a device. If I am clicking on this, now we will be getting option to scan the barcode which is appearing on the secondary device. Now it will scan automatically. Let it scan. Now if you see here, in both the phone common WhatsApp is installed. So this one is the companion device. Suppose I am messaging from here. So this is going to my different account. So the message is coming successfully here. One catch is there. Suppose I am turning off the internet in the primary device. Let's see what happens. Suppose I am trying to message from this device. It has internet connection active. If you see here, its Wi-Fi is connected. Let me try to message another message here. What is happening now? Like message itself is going, but it's with a single tick. If you see here, it's with single tick. So when we will be knowing that message is delivered or not, so for that what we have to do, we have to enable internet connection here in the primary device. At that time internet is connected here. See now it's with double tick. It means message is now delivered. We can see messages came. Another interesting thing which I want to show you, suppose in case this mobile has no connection, no internet data. So what will happen if I am trying to see the status of another person? Let me try to see the status of one of my friend. See now, currently it's like a downloading type of thing. Let me open any of the status of my friend. This is asking me to allow the permission. I will allow this. See now, I can see the status of my friend. The main thing here is, even though in the primary devices internet connection is not there, but you can see status of your friend. With the help of this feature, you can use your one WhatsApp account into 4 additional devices or companion devices. It means there will be maximum of 5 devices connected at a single time. Even though there are 5 devices connected, chats and calls will be end-to-end encrypted. I think most of the people is not aware or yet to get info about this update. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you really find this helpful, please subscribe the channel Techies Guru. I will meet you in next video.